Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp call not showing. To know how to fix WhatsApp call not showing, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp like this. Here we will click. After that, in this page, you will go down to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page here, we will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.